Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to the CapCut Pro. So if you want to use a Pro feature on CapCut, you need to first join or subscribe the CapCut Pro first. So here I'm already on my edits, and to join or subscribe the CapCut Pro, you can just click on this Join Pro at the top, Join Pro button. Click on that, and this will be show up the subscription service, and here you can see all of the benefits. If you join the pro, you can just read in here, you can unlock all the materials, and you can also get a space storage, additional space storage, and you can also use credits for pro AI features. Here you can just select the plan that fits your needs the best, and after that you can click on purchase, and next you can just proceed with the payment. So this is the payment or the amount that I need to pay. So there are two payment methods in my country, but it might be different on your country, so you can just select one of this, and after that you can just click on purchase and proceed with the payment. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.